I've posted some 3D printing videos. I figured I'd show you guys right there. I'm printing up some planters for my wife. This one was a multicolor, just testing things out. And it's blue, a clear, white, and red. But now this one is going to be purple and clear. Or no, sorry, purple and gray. Anyways, so this is the kind of ridiculousness that you can do when you print, when you have a 3D printer. Right? Stick with me. Bear with me. Bear with me. Bear with me. He's got a little one, but that guy right there, Mogwai, needs a bigger one. And just like that. Come on, buddy, move. He's hiding in there. There he is. Got him a little castle. Plenty of room now.
No, he had a little castle. He has a big
Oh yes, this is the Mogwai mansion. Small. That was his apartment, and that's his mansion. So that's the kind of ridiculousness you can print when you have a 3D printer. Along with these large planters. And then small planters. And chicken planters. And other planters and all sorts of stuff. So get yourself a 3D printer. Not sponsored by them, but I suggest and highly recommend Bamboo Labs. They seem to make the most straightforward, easy to use printer. Pretty much just set it and go. Not have to spend a lot of time with settings. Anyways. Is he still in there?
Yeah, he's eating.
Oh yeah,
his
he's way back
cucumbers.
there. Alright guys. See you on the next one.